Looking back at my preliminary task, I feel that I've learnt the importance of time, planning and organisation, as this is where I struggled at first. Due to actors not being available or not having the correct equipment with me, which then forced me into rushing footage and therefore I didn't have good enough quality clips to then edit with. As far as camera work, the only match on action that I experimented with in the preliminary task was door opening. To show progression from this, I attempted to use match on action in a more dramatic way, and so tried it with something smashing eggs. Originally I incorporated the 180-degree rule within my sequence, but took it out due to the duration of it. The woman was getting out the car, and using the rule where you cannot cross the line with the camera, I filmed an array of shots from one side of the car, so it didn't give too much away of the setting of the next scene. I didn't really feel that there was an opportunity for me to incorporate the shot reverse shot technique, as none of my characters were having conversations with one another, and this is when it's most commonly used. Compared to my preliminary task as well, I experimented more with different camera shots and types. One example of this is when the camera is following the girl and then she skips into another room whilst the camera keeps on moving forward and then turns vertically down onto a photo. Another way I've progressed since my preliminary task is through using different effects with colour and saturation. In the shots of the flashbacks I used desaturated colour and altered the tones of the shot to help represent that these scenes are from the past. I also used tint in my shots in the graveyard to convey a darker time had occurred for the woman. I believe that this demonstrates how my knowledge of the software has progressed too, as I'm starting to incorporate new techniques. As a whole, this project has helped me understand more about the film production by thinking more about how different production companies create a range of films to target different audiences and the ways in which they do this as well.